Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you the exact steps you need to do to make $1,000 or more per month on Instagram. This method involves very little startup costs, very little time to run it, and the payouts are huge. The best thing about this method is that it is unsaturated and is very easy to scale. So here is how you do it. Before I tell you the exact method on how to make $1,000 or more per month on Instagram, all I want for you to do is please hit the like button. Like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. And now, this is the method. As of right now, Epic Games, which owns Fortnite, has a supported creator program. Basically, any person can set you as their supported creator, and every time someone who uses your code and spends $100 in-game, you will get paid $5. You can easily get 1,000 supporters to spend $100 in-game, and that means you'll be making $5,000. Okay, here's the method. The only thing that's required is an Instagram account based on Fortnite with at least 1,000 followers, and it does not matter if they are fake or real. Next, you need to post some content on there and get some legit likes and comments. So, technically, you can do this right now. You can make a brand new Instagram account and buy 1,000 followers for just $9.99. There's a link in my bio where you can purchase 1,000 followers for $9.99. And I've used them many times in the past, and they're very reliable. And the amount of people who play Fortnite is 40 million people daily. For just $9.99, you have the potential to make thousands of dollars per month with this method. Once you have bought the followers, the next step is to register an account on Fortnite or Epic Games website as a supported creator. Once you are approved, which you will be approved with just 1,000 followers, you will start now posting content about Fortnite, whether that be skins, new updates, doesn't matter, anything that's interesting to other people. Now, with every post and in your bio, you will include something that says, Fortnite V-Bucks giveaway, or, Amazon gift card giveaway. And you'll say, to be entered in these giveaways, just DM me photo proof of you using me as your supporter creator when you purchase skins. The best part about this method is that your audience does not have to buy anything from you. All they do is input your code when they buy skins. They do it anyways, and it only takes them an extra 5 seconds to input your code. You can easily get lots of people to do this, and every time they do it, you make $5. Now, it's really easy to scale this because you can easily make 10 or more accounts. Doesn't matter, depends just how much you want to thrive and how much money you want to make. Now that I've showed you the exact way on how to make $1,000 or more per month, all I ask from you is to like and subscribe and buy the 1,000 followers from the link in my bio, because I get paid when you buy the followers. The company in my bio is very trustworthy. I would never give anything to you guys that would harm you or take your money, because I want this channel to be about you guys and about helping you guys quit your 9-to-5 jobs and how to easily make money without a college degree in the year 2019. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.